Luke's just being so gentle with her. You want me to turn the light?
Yeah, help.
What do you think? She's wanting her to pet her. You pet her? Give her love it?
Oh, she sees the dog food.
Can you pet the doggy? Pet the doggy. Say, love you, doggy.
What's she doing?
Just kind of trying to nuzzle at him. It's so cute.
She's really developing. Very pretty. Very
Where are you going? Go get your bone. Thank you.
Honey, I just bought a bunch of Girl Scout cookies from Kristen. Do you want some?
Oh, no thanks.
You want to take one with you?
I'm okay.